Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Python and install Python on your PC. Basically, in this video, we'll be talking about the Windows, how we can install Python in our Windows, how we can install Python on our Windows. So we first try by going to a browser, open a browser, and then type in python.org. Python.org. Okay, we can put slash download python.org/download so that it will quickly take us to where we can download Python. Okay, so we click on it here. You can see the latest version of Python that we have is Python 3.11.5. So we click on that. Once we click on that, you can see this is the fifth maintenance release of Python 3.11. Okay, let's select the version we want. You can see so many versions here for different operating system. You can see for Windows, we have Windows Embedded Package, but the one we are going to be working on is this recommended, which is Windows Installer 64-bit. Okay, but if your system is 32-bit, you download this. So let's click on the 64-bit because my system the system I'm using is 64-bit. Okay, so I click on download, click on save. Now it's downloading. So once it's finished downloading, then we install it. Okay, so I'm going to open it from here. Open. See, okay, so you can see this is a security warning so that it's not every program, every .exe file that start running. So it will tell you, okay, always ask before opening this file. So you leave the checked on, then you click on run. You click on run, you can see it brings you the setup page. Now, there's one thing I would like to show you. There's something here, add python.exe to path. Now, I'm going to check this on. Why do I do that? Adding this to path, to system path is very essential when we're working with Python because it allows us to run our Python script and also access our Python packages from any directory in the command prompt or terminal. So we don't have to start looking for where Python directory is. So from any point, from wherever point we are in the directory, we can easily run our Python package. Okay, so that's why I always advise that when installing Python, we add it to path. So now we click on install now. Okay, installation has begun. It is a security measure as user account control. I click on yes. Now setup in progress. It's downloading, it's installing necessary files, development libraries, standard library. Okay, setup was successful. Now, before we close, I'd like to show us one thing here. You can see something here, disable path length limit. Disable path length limit. Now, how we'll do that? Why? Because Python has a built-in path limit of 260 character. Okay, that's a built-in of 260 characters. So if you disable this, it will allow you to bypass that built-in path limit. Okay, and save you a lot of potential headache in the future when you're writing your code. So it is necessary I click on this to disable path length limit. Yes. Okay, so my setup is successful. Now I can close. Then come to the start button. Now I'll see all apps. I'll see my Python IDLE. Okay. Now I can see Python already here as part of the programs I have. I open it, then I can come here, open. Okay, so you can see now you can do some little arithmetic, Python 2 plus 2. So now you look at this three greater than symbol shows the inputs, and where you don't have the greater than symbols, you have the output displayed there. Now let's look at this again. 2 times 2, 4, 2. 2 asterisk stands for raised to power. Okay, 2 asterisk 2 gives us 4. That's 2 raised to power 2. You can see 2 raised to power 3. You can see now the difference. That's 8. Okay, good. Next thing, you say 5 divided by 2 gives us 2.5, or 5 double divided by 2 gives us 2. That is, it only gives us the integer part to use 2 division sign. Okay, 5% 2 is modulus, so that gives us 1. Okay, another way by which we can install Python is by going to Microsoft Store. Then we search for Python here. Python, search for Python. It brings us the different versions of Python that is available. Okay, we can see Python 3.11. So if you want to install this, you just click on Get. It's an open source, it's free. You can see all the versions are free. So it's an open source programming language. So click on here to get. Once you click here to get, it gets automatically installed on your PC. Okay, thank you for watching.